The hustle is sold separately. What do you mean by that? I'm so glad you asked. So we don't have to hustle because we know everything that we need is already done, but we definitely got to show up because we know that the Bible says faith without works is dead, and the man that don't work, he don't eat. And so as we go on this journey of building your social media platforms and building your brands and building and being everything God has called you to be, I can show you the ropes. I can show you how to find your niche. I can show you how many times to post, but that drive, that extra go get it, that extra belief in yourself has to come from within. That's nothing I can give you. I can speak to your spirit and tell your spirit to come on, get up, let's do it. You can do it. But it has to be something inside of you that says, this is what I'm called to do. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I want to do. So if you get this information and you post, like I say, post, that's awesome. Good job. But if you get this information and you post like I say post and you go harder than I say go harder, that's what's sold separately. That drive and that determination to get a sale, that drive and determination to build your audience, that drive and determination to get your brand out there is what's sold separately. And I can't give you that. That has to come from yourself and that has to come from the Lord. And so I just want to say, think about that as you're on this journey. You don't have to be just like me. I'm just here to encourage you, motivate you, show you the ropes, but I want y'all to go hard. You don't have to you can tweak my blueprint. You can take the blueprint, you can do what you want to do with the blueprint and make it yours. Okay? Think about it as baking a cake. I may bake the cake. Mine's may be chocolate icing. And you may put white icing. And you might put sprinkles. And you might put a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I'm going to show you how to bake the cake. I'm going to show you how to frost the cake. But I want you to take that cake and that frosting and I want you to make it do what it do. I always say this. Yes, I may be the teacher, but I want the student to be better than the teacher. I'm going to show you how to do your ebooks. I'm not a designer in Canva, but you may be, and you may know how to make that thing look so good. You may be good with graphic designs. That may be your strong point. That's not my strong point, but I'm going to get it done. So I want you to think about that. Think about that. How bad do you want it? Why do you want it? And what you going to do to get it? I wanted it so bad, y'all. I still want it so bad. Whatever your it is, I don't know what your it is. I know what my it is. And that's why I've been successful in everything that I do, y'all. I go hard. I give it my all. Because first, I'm doing it unto the Lord. And second, I know what I want out of it. And I've seen it work. I've seen me be able to be on the Stellar Award, red carpet. I've seen me be able to help gospel recording artists. I've seen me be able to help business owners. And that was just building my platform. I've seen me be able to put the prayers that I've done on social media on radio stations. I've seen from when social media had to pay me out. I've seen all of this, y'all. Clients, one-on-one clients, and helping people build their platforms. I've seen it, but I had to put the work in. Even recording these videos, that's putting the work in, y'all. How bad do you want it? I pray that you want it so bad that you do everything you're supposed to do to start showing up and then some. I don't know if it's research. I don't know what it is, but I pray that you go hard because the only way you're going to get it, but the only way you're going to stick out, the only way you're going to get your brand out there is if you go hard. All right. So just wanted to leave you with that today. I love y'all. Y'all already know there's nothing you can do about it. Please let me know in the comments, how bad do you want it? Y'all already know I love the engagement. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm here helping Kingdom creators show up. If you love the Lord and you trying to show up in the social media space, you might want to create an ebook. You might want to create a podcast. Okay. You might already have something. You just need to learn how to show up. You in the right spot. You may be starting fresh on YouTube. You want to give some encouraging messages. You want to give an encouraging cooking show. You want to do something to encourage the people. You're at the right spot. I'm JR Eagle Vision Productions. I love y'all because I can. Make sure you continue to like, follow, and subscribe. Check out my music God's Plan as well, y'all. Check out my music God's Plan. And we got a stage play God's Plan. I'm going to have the email list available for y'all so that y'all can stay in touch with me outside of here. Also, I already have a free lead magnet. I'm going to show you how to do those lead magnets, but it's a free guide on showing you my 4E system, showing you all how to show up on social media, which is your lead magnet, which